Hi my friends, today we model this part with this drawing. Here is a sketch with the definition of revolving this part, and we'll use it as a basic sketch. Let's get started. New standard millimeter size PT, new sketch, XY plane, and this is the sketch. We change the name here to basic sketch. I'm sure that you can manage this sketch without any problems. You have to take care with this 2 millimeters for this 100 radius. A spherical surface is this one, yes, because this point is aligned with the center point. This is the center point of the sketch. Finish sketch, revolve, and we have the first volume. Next is this cut with the dimensions right here. Radius 19 at a distance of 34 from the center. You understand that this is at 45 degrees, of course. The depth is 14. We turn back the part, we select this face, then we draw a line of 34, tab 45 degrees. Then we place here a circle with the radius of 19. Radius 19. We use dimensions in the drawing as always. Then we apply extrude with cut on 14. Okay. You can see that there is a radius here of 2 millimeters. This is fillet and fillet with 2, which is by default. Okay. We apply circular pattern of the fillet and extrusion about this direction, and 4 occurrences, not 6. This is the part, my friends. Let's see what is the volume. High properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is just the same, of course. Cancel. We keep the previous value. The material for this part is stainless steel, and we use default IBL to be default lights. Now we can compare the two. No differences. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.